Today I'm going to show you how to install Todoist on Windows 10 and Windows 11 in the easiest and safest way possible. Whether you want the desktop app for faster task management, better focus, or just a cleaner workflow, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, you need to decide how you want to install Todoist on your Windows computer. You have two safe options. You can download the setup file directly from the official Todoist website, or you can install it through the Microsoft Store. Both methods are official, both are safe, and both will give you the Todoist app on your PC. If you want to use the official download page, open your browser and go to the Todoist download page. Once you're there, look for the Windows version of the app. Click the download button to get the setup file onto your computer. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer to begin the setup process. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now the Todoist installer will open. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. In most cases, you just need to click Next, agree to the terms if prompted, and then click Install. The installation should only take a moment. Once it's finished, click Finish, and Todoist should launch automatically or appear in your Start menu. If you prefer a simpler installation method, you can install Todoist from the Microsoft Store instead. To do that, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, then use the search bar and type Todoist. Select the official Todoist app from the results, making sure it's the correct app from the official developer. Then click Get or Install. Windows will handle the download and installation for you automatically. After Todoist is installed, open the app and sign in with your account. If you already have a Todoist account, enter your email and password. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account in just a few steps. Once you're signed in, your tasks and projects will sync across your devices so you can start using Todoist right away. At this point, you've successfully installed Todoist on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you installed it through the browser download, you now have the desktop version ready to use. If you installed it through the Microsoft Store, you have the official app installed safely and conveniently. Either way, you're all set to start organizing your work, personal tasks, and reminders in one place. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy app tutorials, setup guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.